When it comes to love, opposites attract. I'm here to meet Blake and Anna to find out how HelloFresh has helped them balance variety with efficiency. So you moved in together a few months ago?
We thought, you know, we love each other, so let's take the next step.
It made fiscal sense. I did a pie chart.
And boarded it?
Yeah, that was just for me.
Has Blake seen this?
No.
It's probably for the best. So why were mealtimes tricky?
For me, variety is key. I love trying different recipes, cuisines.
You said for you.
Well, Anna prefers efficiency, which is amazing.
I like spontaneity, if it's planned.
She'll also tell you herself she's big on sustainability.
I'm big on sustainability. Which is why I'm not a fan of recipe books. I mean, you make one meal and then loads of ingredients go to waste.
Her solution, we eat the same meal every day until the ingredients run out. Parsnip soup to last us until 2050. Lucky me.
Well, I mean, that's definitely a solution.
But there came a point when enough was enough. But we didn't have any food left.
We did. Food waste bin. And the freezer also broke. So we lost all our soup.
Why? I unplugged the freezer. Sorry, not sorry. So we agreed to try HelloFresh. I can get variety and Anna gets her planned spontaneity.
It's really good, actually. I am a convert. You go through the recipes that you want the week before, and I have done the math. It is surprisingly low cost per serving.
So what we're having tonight?
Aubergine and pepper harissa tacos.
Oh, hello.
And because all the ingredients are measured out into exact portions, there's barely any food waste.
That she doesn't try and feed me. Food's up.
Oh, yes.
Oh, that looks great.
Yum, 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 yum. No need to get the freezer fixed then.
It's so weird, it just came back on.
Is that a pie chart?
I'm just gonna mute this in the other room, I think. Click the link below to get your very special discount.